On the screen here, you're going to see numbers essentially from 1 through 5. And each number, what it represents is essentially what wave we're in when it comes to pricing and price action. So what I was expecting is that we were going to go ahead and be on the decline, and we were essentially going to be in wave 4. When there's going to be a move in price, typically on any financial chart or asset class, but specifically for mortgage bonds or interest rates, typically it moves in a 5-wave pattern. Wave one, 3, and 5 are on the increase, and wave 2 and 4 typically when price declines. So as we were working our way down to wave 4, that's when rates get worse, pricing gets worse. And the good news is that where these two red lines are at right here, this was a level of support that needed to hold. And if it didn't hold, that means interest rates would have gotten worse, significantly worse, much more different than what they are today. And so the good news is that it did end up hitting the support level, and now it's going back up on the ascension. Now, what that means for interest rates and pricing going forward, most likely we're not going to see a really big impact onto the interest rates until we get about midway process next week. Now, what we need to go ahead and do going forward is we're going to go and test our next ceiling of resistance. And you can see it's been a battle trying to get over this ceiling in the past. When we did get over it, it was short lived. So when we get to this point here, we're likely going to see interest rates go ahead and drop at least another eighth to a quarter%. And if we can go ahead and clear that ceiling, then we're going to go back up the target here. We'll probably see another eighth to a quarter% in rates dropping at that point. Now, that said, it's easier said than done. So a lot has to happen as far as economic data reports that are coming out, as far as inflation and a few other metrics that need to be in favor for mortgage bonds. So if those come out favorably, then we can see that all happen here in the next couple of weeks. And if not, obviously, it can go ahead and take some more time.